Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix FiveM. The selected path does not contain GTA5.exe file. Alright, let's begin. First, press the Windows key and open the Start menu. From here, search for GTA5 and select Open File Location. This will take you to the GTA5 shortcut. Again, right-click on the shortcut and choose Open File Location to open the main game folder. Inside this folder, find the file named GTA5.enhanced.exe. Right-click on this file and rename it to GTA5.exe, then press Enter. Next, right-click on the renamed GTA5.exe file and select Copy as Path. After that, press the Windows key again and search for FiveM and select Open File Location. Right-click on FiveM once more and open File Location again. Open the FiveM application data folder and locate the citizenfx.ini file. Paste the copied GTA5 path inside this file and save it. So that's basically how you can fix FiveM. The selected path does not contain GTA5.exe file. And that's it for this video.